today we have a 99 Chevy Suburban. We'll be replacing the fan blade and the fan. First thing I'm going to do is pull these up.
Cut the nuts.
Get that out the way. And now I'm going to remove a total of 7 10mm bolts just to get the fan shroud out the way. There's 3 up front and 2 on each side. One there, one right there, the other right there. And like I said, the 3 in the front, 1, 2, and 3. Now that the shroud is off, I'm going to use a 1 1/4 wrench with a mallet. Placing the wrench on the nut for the fan clutch and holding the pulley here. I'm going to knock it with the hammer until it's loose. Once it's loose, you can see it just kind of comes off. I already loosened it up. So now we're just going to twist it off and get this off. Once you've knocked it loose with the wrench and the mallet and kind of twisted it enough to where it's like so, you can actually just keep turning the fan and it'll come right off. So once it comes off, you can go ahead and replace the whole thing if you're replacing the fan clutch and the blade. However, I'm just going to be replacing the blade. So once I take it off like so, I believe these are 12mm. I'll double check on that, but I'm going to remove these 4 bolts to get the fan off to replace it. So after you remove the 4 bolts, which are 13mm, not 12mm, I apologize for that little mistake. Just pull off the blade like so, throw it to the side, and get the new one to replace. So we have our new fan here. Be sure to place the front in the front, as you can see, and then go ahead and tighten it down. Now that we got those 4 13mm tightened back down, the fan blade in the right orientation with the front in the place in front, we're gonna go ahead and screw it back. Alright, so I have my new fan installed. Tighten that down so pretty much it's flushed on there, as you can see. So I pretty much just tightened it, hit it with the mallet just to be sure it was tightened. And you pretty much know when you hit it and it moves. So now just put the shroud back on, we're done. So thanks for watching. One last thing I wanted to add when putting the shroud back on, the fan shroud, you will see this little, let me move this out the way. Sorry. This little point right here on the top fan shroud actually goes inside that hole, just kind of helps line up everything. So now you just gotta tighten all those 10mm bolts down. Remember, there are 7 of them. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.